your hard. There are some books, your critical thinking will not compromise anything to meet my priorities. So from first year to fourth year, yun na yun. Kasi 8 your own system. Hindi lang dapat motivation. A lot of people don't even try. You are capable of learning these things. A little information. I am Eliza Chi, incoming third year student of the College of Pharmacy at Our Lady of Fatima University, Antipolo. If you click this video, welcome to College of Pharmacy. I know some of you guys, it's not your first choice. Same as me. But eventually, I do love the process of being a pharmacy student and I decided to pursue it. So now, I will be giving you some advice, system, essentials, must-have as a freshman student of the College of Pharmacy. Number 1, be mentally and physically ready. Pharmacy is hard, but that doesn't mean that you can't do it. Why physically and mentally is important as a student of pharmacy. When you are lack of sleep, it can affect your focus, your active listening, your critical thinking, especially in discussion and in side notes you are taking. So kailangan naiintindihan mo, nakaset na sa mind mo that you are learning. You have to be flexible in situations, in modules, in lectures that will be given to you. Surprise quizzes, schedules of quizzes, lots of activities, assignments, projects. Kailangan flexible kang i-manage yung sarili mo, flexible kang i-manage yung time mo to do that task. Physically, dapat hindi ka tired, maayos yung pakiramdam mo. Mentally, kasi in college, in medical field, it is normal that you will feel that you are tired, feel that it's hard, you feel like you're giving up. But you have to be mentally prepared, you have to be encouraged, you have to find some inspiration. Number 2, know your goals, know your priorities, especially in a pharmacy. Kailangan alam mo yung goal mo, alam mo yung priority na meron ka. Anong priority mo? Mag-aral. Anong goal mo? Makatapos, of course. So, you will have that kind of thinking na, ito yung goal ko, so I will do this to achieve my goals. Ito yung priorities ko, so I will not compromise anything to meet my priorities. Any distractions, any gala, hindi naman masama, but there are moments that you have to sacrifice those for you to be able na mag-review and mag-aral or makapasa in a pharmacy. 3. Ito ay more on material. Of course, you will be needing pens. You will be needing, of course, pencil, yellow paper, and the most important is calculator. Ayan. So, yung calculator in your freshmen, kailangan nyo siya kasi aralin nyo yung calculation of those, tablets, etc. kung paano nyo siya ipe-prescribe with your patients. And sobrang must-have siya na essential talaga siya na kailangan mong bilhin kasi palagi nyo siyang gagamitin. And when you buy, of course, make sure na cycle siya para hindi kayo mahirapan in your future purposes, in the future purposes. Lalo na pag mag-board exam kayo, kailangan yung gamit nyong calculator from first year to fourth year, yun na yun. Kasi masasanay na kayo dito eh. Kasi kapag nag-iba kayo ng calculator, mahihirapan kayo or may possibilities na mahirapan kayo sa board exam nyo. Board exam or sa mga other exam for calculation. 4. Ito ay optional lang, pero it helps when you have iPad. Especially in school setting, in college setting. Minsan, more on digital na lahat. Like Google Docs, assignments, activities, PowerPoint, presentation, lahat nandun na sa online. So, kailangan meron tayong iPad or digital gadgets na gagamitin natin for those presentations. Yung iPad, mas preferable siya kapag magsisave ka ng files, activities, modules, reporting na kailangan mo. Power bank and charger. Of course, sa college, kailangan natin yun kasi nga, we are now using digitals. So, hindi dapat mawawala yun. Lalo na kapag whole day tayo sa school, kinakailangan natin gamitin yung iPad or yung phone natin. Essential din na meron tayong load. for us to research yung mga bagay na kailangan natin i-research. Next is yung schedule and tracker. Sobrang importante niya. I will be showing you guys wallpapers I set. Schedule wallpaper siya, so you can guys have the inspiration to do the same. These are some. Ayan, of course, kakailanganin natin yan yung date ng week, yung time, kung anong room ka, para hindi ka na maliligaw, malilito, or malilate kapag kinakailangan, or pag nagmamadali ka. So, it sets as a reminder. Kasi sa college, iba-iba yung schedule niya. So, kailangan, nandun yung mind natin na nare-remind tayo na ito yung schedule natin. Course tracker. For me, hindi ako sobrang OC sa tracker. Ang ginagawa ko lang is notes, which is here, to-do list. So, anong oras ko siya iti-take, itong gagawin ko ngayong araw, kailangan ko bang gawin tong worksheet na to, and I will be checking that after. Kasi, kapag hindi tayo nagkaroon ng tracker, we will lose track kung ano yung mga kailangan natin gawin, and baka malos on deadline pa tayo. Next of course, review, where halaga na nagkikip track tayo in our module, in our subjects, lalo na marami yan. So, I recommend to you that you will do your own review, where na kung saan nandun na lahat ng modules, like this one. Yan, like that. Of course, i-compile mo lahat kung anong prepare mo, basta nandun lahat ng topics and side notes, para hindi ka maguguluhan kung ano yung i-review mo or wala kang ma-miss na module. Create your own system. Hindi lang dapat motivation na you will be study, intensity, driven by emotion ka to study well, dito and dito ngayong araw. You have to create system, lalo na sa college, especially in pharmacy. Kailangan consistent yung pag-aaral mo, kung anong time ka magre-rest, kung anong time yung outdoor activities mo, and anong time ka magla-lock in your studies. Of course, kailangan day by day nag-aaral tayo kasi may tendency na if mag-aaral lang tayo pag malapit na yung exam, hindi yon agad mapafiled up sa mind natin, or hindi natin yun agad matatandaan. Especially those drugs, those calculation, it really have to be studied. Kailangan invested tayo sa time, effort sa pag-aaral natin. Next is laboratory things. Ito medyo pricey siya, pero depende sa prof kung anong ipapabili sa inyong lab materials. But some of those are lab gown, mask, gloves, basic essentials na meron dapat tayo sa lab, sa laboratory. Okay. Next is locker. As a freshman, hindi pa naman ganun ka-essential or kailangan na mag-locker. But pag tumagal, you have to invest sa mga lockers. Lalo na kapag sa laboratory, marami tayong mga kailangan i-stock, kailangan na nandoon, kailangan na palagi nating dala-dala kapag magla-laboratory tayo. Especially yung mga chemicals, kailangan naka-locker siya. Kasi mahirapan tayong magdala, mahirapan tayong mag-store, lalo na sa room temperature, sa mga kailangan na chemical. So, kailangan may locker tayo. Next is book recommendation. So, I'll be showing you some of my books nung first year and second year ako na nag-invest ako. These are some books. First year ako, ito yung pina-required sa amin. So, una is itong pharmaceutical calculation. So, nandito yung mga basic calculation na kailangan yung aralin. And of course, the abbreviation. So, sa first year, tuturuan kayo na mag-calculate and also magbasa ng prescription or ng reseta. This one, about lang siya sa autonomy, sa mga cells, sa hearts. Ayan, meron kaming mga pa-activities dyan. Naman, nung second year ako, about naman siya sa solid dosage form. Mga dosage forms. This one, about siya sa pharmacokinetics. Yeah, calculation siya and ano yung mga anong ginagawa ng katawan natin sa drug, paano siya na-metabolize, anong nangyayari sa loob ng tiyan ng isang person once na nag-take siya ng drug. Oras i-effect, anong oras ma-excrete. So, lahat yan nandito sa Biopharm. Ito namang memes about siya sa mga drugs talaga. Like, really. Ito naman is hanggang 4th year, sobrang importante. Kahit nag-OJT ka na, kailangan mo to. Kailangan mo to, ayun. pick your friends wisely, lalo na sa college. It's either it will influence you to be more, lalo na sa studies, or different. So, kailangan nandun yung part na tutulungan kayo sa academic. And of course, yung totoong mga friends. Hindi naman kailangan madami kayo or in a competition kayo. Dapat nagtutulungan kayo. So, choose your friends. Lastly, this is the encouragement of all the freshman student of pharma. Mahirap yung pharma, pero of course, kailangan nag-enjoy pa rin tayo. And sobrang sarap sa feeling na you are capable of learning these things, lalo na sa medical field. And yung part dun na makakatulong ka, lang madali sa life na meron tayo. Pero choose your hard. Lalo na pag pharma ka, sobrang worth it ng hard na to. You will learn, you will earn, you will take care of people. There are times that we will experience failure, but that doesn't mean na hindi mo kaya. A lot of people don't even try. So yeah, you have to try and try and try again until it became successful. And that successful will be worth it. It will all be worth it one day. There are things that are new to you, like system, activities, people, module, knowledge that it is hard to process, it is hard to take in your mind. But those hards are worth it. Doesn't mean that you have to be hard on yourself in learning those things. You have to love yourself, to love what you are studying, for you to really understand what's behind this. Sumuko, pursue pharma, sobrang worth it, sobrang ganda rin ang benefits niya in the future. And also, sobrang saya maging pharma. So yeah, that's all. I hope you guys learn something, may na-input ako sa inyo, and may nakuha kayo sa video na to. If you have any question regarding pharmacy, just comment down there, and I will try to answer it. So yeah, thank you guys, bye!